Welcome! If you've been searching for a way to enable quit mode on your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, Facebook has made it easier than ever to customize your page experience, and today I'll guide you step by step through the process. First, let's get started by opening the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to go. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your page profile photo there. Click on it. This will open a menu with several options designed to help you manage your page more efficiently. Next, from the menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will reveal even more options. From here, select Settings. This is where all the magic happens, as you'll find a variety of controls to personalize your page. Now, in the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Media. Click on it to enter the media settings for your page. This section allows you to manage how videos and other media behave when visitors interact with your page. Here's the important part. Find the option labeled Video Default Volume. Next to it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this menu and choose Default. This setting ensures that your page's videos will play at the standard volume level, which is a key part of enabling quiet mode with the new update. And that's it. By following these steps, you've now allowed quit mode on your page using the Facebook app on your PC. This simple adjustment helps create a more controlled and user-friendly experience for both you and your page visitors. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need a hand with the new Facebook update. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your improved Facebook page experience.